10 healthy food recipes to lose weight fast. Eating well is a huge part of losing weight, and it's not always about limiting your portions. If you fill your diet with smart food choices, you have better chances of successfully reaching your weight loss goals. To help you out, here are some of the most intelligent food choices, along with 10 healthy food recipes to lose weight fast. Learn about the foods first, then learn the recipes and how to cook them properly to achieve your weight loss goals. 1. Eggs. In a study published by the Journal of the American College of Nutrition in 2005, researchers observed the effect of egg consumption versus bagels among overweight and obese women. The researchers found that participants who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller than those who ate bagels. Furthermore, the egg-eating group ate less than the bagel-eating group, but they stayed full for longer. But more importantly, those who ate egg consumed less calories. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 2 eggs scrambled, 1 small onion diced, 1 medium-sized tomato diced, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Procedure: in a frying pan, heat olive oil. Add onions to sauté. Add the tomatoes and avoid stirring until the tomatoes have softened a little. Pour the scrambled eggs over the onions and tomatoes. Remove from pan when the egg is thoroughly cooked. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are not only incredibly nutritious, but they also add bulk to your meals. By eating mostly greens, it's easy to feel full without consuming too many calories. In a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2007, researchers proved that increasing vegetable intake effectively helps control hunger and aids in weight maintenance. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 bunch spinach leaves, 6 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: in a frying pan, heat olive oil. Add minced garlic and sauté until golden. Add spinach leaves and sprinkle salt and pepper. Cook until wilted. 3. Fatty fish. In a study published by the Journal of Clinical Investigation in 2011, researchers linked inflammation with metabolic disease and obesity. In an earlier study published by Nutrition Reviews in 2010, the omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish were observed to have anti-inflammatory effects. That means consumption of foods rich in omega-3 helps in maintaining proper weight. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, 1/4 teaspoon dried rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: sprinkle rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper to coat both sides of the salmon fillet. Place in the steamer and cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until fish flakes with a fork. Enjoy with a side of sliced avocado. 4. Chicken breast. In 2011, Obesity published a study that showed the effects of protein consumption to the appetites of overweight or obese men. They found that by increasing consumption to account for 25% of total daily calories, the participants experienced a reduction of food cravings by 60% and minimized late-night snacking by 50%. Those who were made to consume more protein also lost weight by an average of 1 pound per week. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast fillet pounded flat, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: marinate chicken in soy sauce overnight. The next day, heat the olive oil in a frying pan. Place the chicken breast in the pan and pour the lemon juice over it. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. After 4 minutes, turn the chicken over to cook the other side. Season this side with salt and pepper. Once the chicken is thoroughly cooked, enjoy on a bed of salad greens. 5. Potatoes. Potatoes have gotten a bad reputation because they are mistakenly believed to be full of fattening carbohydrates. The truth is that potatoes could be a valuable addition to any weight loss diet. According to a study published by the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 1995, potatoes are among the foods that can help you feel fuller and keep you from eating more of other foods. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 pound potatoes, quartered, 1 tablespoon salt, half pot water for boiling, 1/2 cup distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, pepper for seasoning, chopped chives for garnishing. Procedure: in the pot of water, add the salt and vinegar. Add the potatoes and bring to a boil. Keep the potatoes boiling until tender, about 12 minutes. Drain the potatoes and transfer to a baking pan. Drizzle the potatoes with oil and pepper and bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Garnish with chives and add more salt to taste. 6. Thin soup. According to a study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 1999, you can feel fuller for longer and consequently consume fewer overall calories by simply adding water to your food and eating it as a soup. In the study, just drinking water with meals was not as effective. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups chicken stock, 1 medium onion diced, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1 small carrot peeled and chopped, half a cabbage chopped, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/4 teaspoon salt, black pepper to taste. Procedure: in a pot, sauté onion and celery. Add carrots and sauté until slightly tender. Pour in chicken stock and bring to a boil. Add cabbage and stir to make sure all leaves are immersed in the water. Sprinkle thyme, salt, and pepper. The soup is ready once the cabbage wilts slightly. 7. Dairy. In 2004, obesity research published a study that demonstrated the effect of calcium and dairy in the weight loss efforts of obese adults. They found that increasing dairy consumption plays a significant role in weight and fat loss. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 tablespoon dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon slivered almonds. Procedure: combine Greek yogurt, honey, and cranberries. Place in the refrigerator for at least an hour to plump up the cranberries and infuse some flavor into the yogurt. Top with slivered almonds and enjoy. 8. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies have proven the efficacy of apple cider vinegar in weight loss as well as fat loss. In one study published by Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry in 2009, researchers observed the effects of vinegar intake to obese participants. After the 12 weeks, participants who consumed up to 30 milliliters of vinegar per day lost between 2.6 to 3.7 pounds. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 bunch mixed salad greens, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 pinch salt, 1 dash pepper. Procedure: in a bowl, combine apple cider vinegar, honey, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Stir or whisk until completely combined to make a dressing. Pour your preferred amount of dressing over your salad greens and toss. 9. Nuts. In a study published by the Journal of the American College of Nutrition in 2011, researchers found that individuals who consumed nuts regularly were leaner and healthier overall than those who didn't consume nuts at all. Among the best nuts to include in a weight loss diet are walnuts and almonds. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup whole almonds, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 dash cinnamon powder, 1 dash black pepper. Procedure: combine olive oil, chili powder, salt, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and black pepper in a medium-sized bowl. Add the almonds and toss until evenly coated. Pour into a baking pan that's large enough that the almonds are on a single layer. Bake for 8 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool completely and enjoy 1 handful per serving. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats and barley are rich in beta-glucans, which have been proven to aid in balancing glucose and losing weight. In a study published by Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2009, oats were proven to increase feelings of fullness and improve overall metabolic health. Recommended recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1 tablespoon dried blueberries. Procedure: combine all ingredients in a sealable container. Place the lid and shake well to combine. Keep the container in the refrigerator overnight. Enjoy when the oats have soaked up the milk and the blueberries have infused some flavor into the liquid as well. These 10 healthy food recipes to lose weight fast are filled with intelligent food choices that are backed by research. Plus, the recommended recipes are made of simple ingredients and are easy to prepare. They should be easy enough to include in your diet so that you can achieve your weight loss goals in no time. Here are the study references mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.